Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session we are going to learn a new grammar topic, that is future tense. But before starting with our topic, that is future tense, let us recall. First of all, let us see that what do you mean by tense. Tense means what? Tense indicates the time. Tense indicates the time. Tense जो है वो हमें time indicate करता है, right? So future. So how many tenses? How many tenses we have? We have past tense, present tense, and then future tense. We have three main kinds of tenses, that is past, present and future. Now in this past tense, present means the thing which is going currently. जो अभी यहाँ पे जो चीज करंटली हो रही है, that is known as present tense. Means अभी presently, अभी क्या हो रहा है? Just now I am explaining you. So here I am explaining you, that is the present tense. It becomes present tense. Okay. Then afterward, so present means the thing which is going just now. अभी जो फिलहाल, now, present, that is now. अभी जो हो रहा है, that is present tense. Then afterward, past tense. Past tense means what? Past tense means the thing which is already being done. Already done. Past tense means already done, जो चीज already हो चुकी है, that is known as past tense. यानी कि yesterday you were having English class. यानी कि कल आपका इंग्लिश की क्लास थी, कल आपकी इंग्लिश की क्लास थी. सो वो ऑलरेडी इंग्लिश की क्लास एक जो है वो चली गई है, सो वो हम उसकी बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? So then afterward, yesterday I went for a movie. यानी कि कल मैं मूवी देखने के लिए गया था. Means you have already done that action. जो एक्शन जो है वो ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है, और अब अभी आप उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो कि आपने कल क्या किया था. जो एक्शन ऑलरेडी हो चुके, अभी थोड़े घंटों पहले भी आपने वो किया, वो भी पास्ट टेंस ही हो जाएगा, क्योंकि दैट एक्शन इज ऑलरेडी डन. जो एक्शन है वो ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है, और आप उस थोड़ी देर बाद उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हो. सो दैट कम्स इन द पास्ट टेंस. एंड देन कम्स फ्यूचर टेंस. सो फ्यूचर टेंस मीन्स व्हाट? फ्यूचर टेंस मीन्स द एक्शन विच इज गोइंग टू हैपन. गोइंग टू हैपन यानी कि जो एक्शन है वो अब होने वाली है. नाउ यू विल बी हैव योर एग्जाम्स, कि अब आपकी एग्जाम्स आने वाली है. मीन्स अभी आई नहीं है, अब आने वाली है. यानी कि हम अब जो होने वाला है उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो दैट इज फ्यूचर टेंस, राइट? जो एक्शन विच इज गोइंग टू हैपन, जो एक्शन है वो अब होने वाली है, उसके बारे में जब हम बात करें, that comes under future tense. So I can say that tomorrow you have to solve the exercise related to future tense and you have to show me. So what I have said, tomorrow means मैं कल की बात कर रही हूँ. जो एक्शन कल होने वाली है कि आप मुझे अपना होमवर्क करके दिखाने वाले हो, मैं उसकी बात कर रही हूँ. अभी वो एक्शन हुई नहीं है, अभी भी नहीं होगी, वो कल होगी एक्शन. So I am talking about tomorrow. So that will come under future tense. Okay? So this is all about future tense, past, present and future. I hope that now it is clear that the concept of future tense. So in today's session we are going to see about future tense only. Past and present tense, it was just the basic introduction to you so that you can get a clear idea of these main three tenses, that what is past tense, the action which is already done, present means the action which is happening now, and the future tense which is going to happen. So now we are going to study about future tense in this session, and tense means time. So let us see some more examples related to future tense. So the example related to future tense, it's very cold here. It's very cold here, but I will stay with you for one night. But I will stay with you one night. So this will indicates that this sentence is in future tense. ये जो will हम लिखते हैं वो हमें क्या इंडिकेट करता है? This indicates that ये जो सेंटेंस है, the sentence is in future tense. यानी कि यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड है, लेकिन but I will, मैं एक रात के लिए यहाँ पे रुकूंगा. But I will stay with you one night. मैं तुम्हारे साथ एक रात के लिए यहाँ पे रुकूंगा. Means it is showing the future tense. The action अभी हुई नहीं है, अभी हो भी नहीं रही है. उसने क्या बोला? मैं I will stay. Will means the action is going to happen in future. Will का मतलब क्या होगा? That action is going to happen in future. वो अभी आगे होने वाली है. When you are going to use will, that means the action अभी हुई नहीं है. आप future के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. Whenever you are talking about future, will is going to be used. Okay? जैसे past tense में हम was and were use करते हैं, then present tense में am, is और are का use करते हैं. वैसे ही future tense में shall and will का use होगा. Okay? Over here we are going to use will. Now let's see another one. He will sell it. He will sell it and buy food and firewood, and buy food and firewood and finish his play. So what it is said over here, he will sell it. तो वो सेल कर देगा, अभी किया नहीं है, वो कर देगा, और उससे वो क्या बाय करेगा? He will buy food and firewood and finish his play. और वो उसके बाद उसका प्ले फिनिश करेगा, और उसके पहले वो सेल करेगा, बाद में वो खरीदेगा. So he will sell it. Will come. So we got to know that this sentence is in future tense. Okay? So the sentence above here are in the future tense. Now we use future tense to talk about the things that will happen after now. इसके बाद अगर जो होने वाली है, और during the time in future, और future time में होने वाली है, और एक घंटे के बाद भी अगर वो एक्शन होने वाली है ना, तो भी उसे future tense ही बोला जाएगा. Even after half an hour that action is going to happen, right? Then also it is said to be in future tense only. So to use future tense, we add will before the verb. Verb के आगे हम will का use करेंगे. Sentence को future tense में बनाने के लिए हम verb के आगे will का use करेंगे. We are going to use will before the verb to make a negative future sentence. कि ये तो हमें पॉजिटिव, अब नेगेटिव यानी कि वो नेगेशन में चला जाएगा ना, उसका आंसर हमें नो में आएगा, नॉट. राइट? टू मेक अ सेंटेंस नेगेटिव, इस सेंटेंस को हमें नेगेटिव फॉर्म में ट्रांसफर करना है, फ्यूचर सेंटेंस को तो then we are going to use will not. Will not before the verb. वर्ब के पहले हम will not का यूज करेंगे. अगर पॉजिटिव है then only will. If it is negative, for negative sentence वर्ब के पहले will not का यूज होगा. Okay? Before that we are going to use will not. For example, और will not का जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म है वो क्या होगा? want. The short form of will not is want. आप want भी लिख सकते हो और आप will not भी लिख सकते हो. It is just a short form. So, for example, I will come tomorrow. So this is a positive one. Now I will not come tomorrow. So this becomes a negative. I will not come tomorrow. और will not के जगह पर हम want भी लिख सकते हैं. I won't come tomorrow. So I will come tomorrow. I will not come tomorrow. Or I won't come tomorrow. So this is the positive and this is the negative form. Okay? So this is all about future tense. I hope that you have understood that what is the future tense. Now let us see some of the examples. Okay. So now I will send you here. I will give you some of the words and that to relate it with future tense. And you are supposed to make the sentence related to it. Okay? So here I am writing some of the words. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Right? Then after here it is written will and want. Then now over here there are some options given over here. Play tennis, go to Nainital, join music classes, move to a new house, go to school, visit us, and rain. Now after this, here I am going to write some of the future tense. Tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, on Monday, next Sunday, and tonight. Now you can see that I have written the pronouns over here, will and want, some of the words, play tennis, go to Nainital, join music classes, move to a new house, go to school, visitors, rain. Now tomorrow, next week, future tense words, next month, next year, on Monday, next Sunday, and tonight. Now with the help of these we are supposed to make a sentence. हमें फ्यूचर टेंस के सेंटेंस बनाने हैं. So you can write anything, you can make any of the sentence. It is not compulsory that what I am saying to you right now you have to write that only. You can write anything. So I can say that they are going to visit us tonight. They will visit us tonight. So which sentence I made? I made that they will visit us tonight. Or to make the sentence negative, I can also say they won't visit us tonight. They will not visit us. वो यहाँ पे visit नहीं करेंगे और करेंगे भी. I have written both the possibilities. Then afterwards I will go to नैनीताल next year. कि next year अगले साल मैं नैनीताल जाऊंगी. So I will go to Nainital next year and I want to go to Nainital next year. So both the possibilities are there of future tense. Afterward, he joined music classes. He will join music classes from tomorrow. कि वो music classes कल से शुरू करेगा. He will join music classes from tomorrow. He will join music classes from tomorrow. And you can also write he won't join music classes from tomorrow. वो कल से शुरू नहीं करेगा. Want to make it negative. Now then after, I will go to school on Monday. I will go to school on Monday. कि मैं मंडे को स्कूल जाऊंगी. Or you can write it as I want to go to school on Monday. कि मंडे को मैं स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगी. I want to go to school. Then after, we will play tennis next Sunday. कि next Sunday को हम टेनिस खेलेंगे. We will play tennis next Sunday. Or you can write it as we want to make a sentence negative. We want to play tennis next Sunday. We will play tennis next Sunday and we want to play tennis next Sunday. So we have done this. Now it will rain next week. अगले next week में अब शायद बारिश होगी. It will rain next week और it won't rain next week. Next week में शायद बारिश ना भी हो. और अब मैंने जो words जिसके साथ यूज किए हैं उसके साथ ही आपको वो words यूज करना. It is not compulsory. You can use any of the words. Okay, आप कोई भी words यूज कर सकते हो. It depends upon you. So it will rain next week or it won't rain next week. Then afterward, she will move to a new house next month. कि वो अपने नए घर में शिफ्ट होने वाली है next month में. Or to make a sentence negative, you can also write it as she won't move to a new house next month. Right? So in this way you are supposed to form a sentence. And for example, if in case blanks में अगर आपको दिया गया है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? verb का जो फॉर्म है वो वैसे ही रहेगा. take है तो take ही रहेगा, सिर्फ आपको will take ऐड करना है. Right? For example, if I say each exercise dash number, so each exercise और ब्रैकेट में b दिया गया है तो क्या आएगा? each exercise will be numbered. Okay? Because it will be there first. So आपको जो verb form है वो भी लिखना है और उसके आगे will लिखना है. It is very much simple. Past tense जैसा भी difficult नहीं कि verb का जो form है वो change हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे verb form भी change नहीं होता है. It remains as it is, and you just have to add will before the verb. Okay, so in this way you are supposed to solve the sentences. Then afterwards, I hope that you have understood the topic of future tense. Future tense means the actions which is going to happen in future, जो future में होने वाली है, that are known as future tense, and tense indicates time. जो main tense है वो 3 है: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense means the thing which is going now, past tense means the thing which is already done, and future is which is going to happen in future, अब जो आगे होने वाला है. Okay, so I hope that you have understood the concept of future tense and some of the examples of this. Okay, so this was all about today's session. I hope you don't have any kind of doubt, and as a part of a revision I'm going to give you some of the questions in the description section. Description section में मैं आपको कुछ questions दूंगी which you are supposed to solve and give me your answers in the comment section. आपको solve करके उसके answers अगर आपको पता है then just give your answers in the comment section. आप मुझे comment section में मुझे अपने answers दे सकते हो. Okay, and apart from this, still if you have any kind of doubt or you want something new, then you just tell me. First of all, if you have any doubt, then rewatch the video, and still if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. आप मुझे अपने comment section में मुझे पूछ सकते हो, and I will solve all your doubts. So this was all about today's session, and I hope that you have enjoyed this session. So till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take good care of yourself.